Hi everyone, this is Chris Brazel. Welcome to my world where I love absolutely helping you get tips to create changes in your life or do a transformation, whether it's a short little one or it's a big one. Join my transformation program. So I've got a miracle worker for you today. It's one little red bouncy ball. Now, a ball like this, you do it the right way. We have had breakthroughs in panic attacks, anxiety, depression. And the latest is stop ringing in the ears for one guy who was having this massive problems, which ringing had started in his ears. And then it was getting worse and worse. And then he was getting anxiety. Then he was getting panic attacks and his head went right down into the future where he just couldn't believe where his thoughts were going were incredible. So I started to work with him. He had a 10 brain code, which anyone with a 10, 20, 1 will always work brilliantly with a ball, but everyone can work with a ball. And it's how you work with it. It's the color of the ball, the size of the ball. Normally when I'm working with people, I'll start with a basketball because it's like the problem they've got is big, and then I bring it down to just a little bouncy ball. You can go to the Bounce to Academy where I'll teach you, or you can train with it. But a ball this size, you can carry it, you can put it in your pocket, you can work with it in so many amazing ways. And if you want specific ways for you to work with it for panic attacks, anxiety, now we can put on the list ear noise or ringing in the ear. Just get in touch. But you can bounce it and it comes back to you. And when you actually bounce it and you use specific words with the bounces, that's when the magic starts to happen. You're working with your hands, how you catch it when you're training with me, how you let it go, how you pick it up, all connect your brain. Now we're looking at a scientific way of working. This is no hokey pokey. This is actually a very magical miracle worker because it can bring you to the present moment. So when you're working, if you don't catch that ball when you're in the present moment, then your mind is over here. You lose the ball. So it's great for focus, great for kids, great for adults. I've even got some massive CEOs working with the ball because when they've got major decisions to make, they pull their ball out. And often when I'm coming up with their coaching session, they'll say, had the ball, Chris, been working with it. The different colors make a difference. If you're just going to go get one, get a red one. Make sure it's a very bouncy one because it's the bounce that we actually want. And when you can put it in your hand, and then we work in different ways of working, whether it's left hand, left, right, left. And that's where the science comes. So you're getting neurodiversity within it because what you're doing is you're really training the brain. It's a ball brain training exercise. But if you're out there, you've got panic attacks, and if you do have ringing in your ears, or you've got anxiety, you've got depression, or you are totally stuck more, one small ball could be your miracle worker. Get in touch if you want to know more, subscribe to the channel, but I've got some amazing exercises for you to do which will move your energy, your mind, and give you back the power that you're seeking. Cheers for now.